I'd say my favorite project has been anything kind of related to closings. It's been really exciting to kind of see everything go from start to finish, and just the energy around it has been really cool.
Being able to shadow the life cycle of a deal, including sitting in on client calls.
I was working on a bankruptcy project for research, and it was just really interesting to kind of hear the background of the case and the side we represent, and I just learned a lot, so that's been really fun.
Definitely, it's been interesting to see how the practice groups interwork with each other, litigation, with investment management, with trust and estates. Every group plays a part in the role of the firm. It's been really interesting.
I've learned a little bit more about tax exemptions and tax codes in general. My knowledge before was very minimal, so anything I've learned is new.
I've learned that it's probably better to take the projects that you're more intimidated by, because it'll involve a lot more details and you'll get more out of it in the end.
Something new I learned in the first half of the summer was how to create a closing checklist on CCR.
I'm hoping to learn a little bit more about some of the other practice groups. I've engaged a lot with asset, commercial lending, public finance, but I'm hoping to explore things like SSR, a little bit more of energy as a service under public finance, and really investment management as well.
Moving forward, I hope to get more involved with the asset securitization group and just learn anything that comes across my desk in that group with any projects.
Before the summer ends, I'd hope to have a better understanding of the different practice groups, so I have a better understanding of where I would fit in the best within the firm.